Want to start seeing certain words or topics again on X after muting them earlier? In this video, I'll show you how to remove muted words from your X account. Start by opening the X app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, now scroll down a little. Tap on Settings and Support, and then choose Settings and Privacy from the expanded options. You'll now enter the main settings page, where you can manage your account, privacy, and content preferences. From here, tap on Privacy and Safety, next. Look for the Mute and Block section and tap on it. This is where X stores all your muted accounts, words, and blocked profiles. Now tap on Muted Words, and you'll see a complete list of every word, phrase, hashtag, or username you've muted before. Scroll through the list carefully. And once you find the word or phrase you want to remove, tap on it. A new screen will open with details about that muted word, and here you'll see the option to delete word or unmute it. Tap on that option, and then confirm by selecting Unmute from the pop-up message. The word is no longer muted. Posts and notifications containing that word may now start appearing again in your timeline, depending on your settings. Thanks for watching.